It is absolutely the most technically advanced general aviation aircraft.
It has no legacy that it has to complete. It's what is best and most current.
It's sexy, it's sleek, it's sophisticated.
It just allows those opportunities for adventure.
The feeling that you get knowing that you're sitting in the most technologically advanced airplane, it's hard to describe.
We started Cirrus now 25 years ago. Our goal was to change aviation.
We had the choice to design based on an existing airframe, and we dismissed that idea.
The design philosophy that we started with was customer first, airplane second.
We have designed the product so it's easy to fly. Anyone can fly our airplane.
Cirrus has found a way to balance the customer needs across speed, comfort, safety, and it's a great-looking airplane.
We understand where the industry is going to be in 10 years, and that's where we're focused.
We redesigned safety and performance and luxury and ease of use into the airplane.
It has the latest avionics, it has the latest airfoils, it has the latest composite construction.
This Cirrus is by far the smartest aircraft I've ever flown. I don't know of any other aircraft out there that has the safety features that Cirrus has.
I feel safe in the airplane.
I think the Cirrus airframe parachute system is probably the single biggest innovation in general aviation since the gyroscope.
The Cirrus is so incredibly comfortable. It's actually much more comfortable than any luxury automobile.
The seats provide more comfort. There's more room for both pilot, co-pilot, and passengers.
Visibility is awesome. It doesn't matter whether you're in the back seat or the front seat.
The best avionics available for any plane.
But the best thing about it is the view.
But what makes Cirrus really different is Cirrus's customers are second to none.
We are very focused on customer service and customer experience.
They're truly friends, and they just take care of you from A to Z.
Once you buy a Cirrus, you are a Cirrus customer for life.
Innovation is what we based our history on, it's what we're doing today, and it's what we're doing looking forward to the future.
People want to fly faster, they want to fly further, they want to fly into places that they can't fly, and the jet serves those needs.
They treat you like gold.
It changes the way people think about flying.
It's absolutely the safest plane.
The technology is outstanding.
Speed,
Safety,
Luxury.
Comfort.
Solid engineering.
It's a total package.
It's the plane to buy.
There's just nothing better.
I love my Cirrus.
I love my airplane.
At Cirrus, we are the best, we build the best, and the best is yet to come.